Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good Shopify homepage. First, select a theme that is both visually appealing and mobile-friendly. Ensure your navigation is intuitive, guiding customers effortlessly through your product categories. A compelling hero section with a strong visual and clear message is crucial for making a great first impression. This initial setup lays the groundwork for an engaging user experience. Next, highlight your top products right on the homepage to capture immediate interest. Maintain a consistent brand identity across all elements, from your logo to your color palette, to build recognition. Incorporate social proof, like customer reviews or testimonials, to build trust and credibility with new visitors. Strong visuals and a clear brand story are key to connecting with your audience. Now focus on creating engaging content. Your product descriptions should be brief, highlighting key benefits rather than just features. Implement clear calls to action, such as Shop Now or Learn More, to guide visitors to their next step. Consider adding sections for new arrivals or limited time offers to encourage repeat visits and purchases. This keeps your homepage dynamic and fresh. Finally, optimize your homepage for performance. Fast loading speeds are essential. Aim for under 3 seconds. Compress your images to reduce file size without sacrificing visual quality. Regularly review your site's analytics to understand user behavior and make data-driven improvements. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. A well-optimized homepage significantly boosts conversions and user satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.